So it's day 7 of the 90-day run. And the crazy thing is, that's the crazy thing. It's March. The year just started. March determines that the first quarter has already ended of the year. That's why I'm making this video, bro. Because I feel like I need to self-aware a lot of people, dog. As I can tell by the title of the video, bro, the government, they print money all day, every day. Money being printed left and right. As we speak, money being printed, right? So first off, of course, what I'm gonna say is no reason you shouldn't be, I ain't gonna say chasing it. I don't like to say chase money, but no reason you shouldn't be getting you some money first off. Second off, but one thing that they're not printing, but that's what's the biggest asset, even bigger than money. One thing in this world that's even bigger than money, most definitely, besides God, time. They are not printing time, bro. And a lot of y'all, bro, y'all need to realize that. Wake up. This is your wake up call. This is the video. So what's good, YouTube, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the cut, and back with y'all with another video today. And today's video, bro, ought to motivate y'all, but not even just motivate y'all, but self-aware everybody. Because I feel like, bro, ever since a kid, nobody like really self-awared us on how valuable time really was. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let's hop straight into the video. So, like I said, I'm Gen Z. I was born in 2004, right? I'll be 22 in 4 months. Crazy. I get a lot of y'all think that's young, but that's the thing. 2000, I look at things like 2013, 2014, 2016. I look at that stuff as like that shit just happened yesterday, right? And when you look over your life, you start to realize how farther you feel like you were supposed to be. When you start to look over your life, you start to realize, damn, I should have accomplished more by now. And that's just me. Those are just my expectations. You know, some of y'all probably looking like, well, you still young, you got plenty of time. I hold myself to a higher extent. I'm not one of those type of guys sit here and make excuses. You feel what I'm saying? But that's the thing though, bro. They print money every day, but they do not print back time. Time is your biggest asset. I'm seeing a lot of y'all in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? Y'all very educated. Some of y'all very smart, right? But think about it, bro. You can go get money back, bro. You can go, like, if you lose money, like let's say if you went broke today, money gonna always be there. Not saying it like that you should just go broke, but you can get money back physically. Physically, you can go get money back. But we have still not found out a way to get time back. Even Elon Musk, Donald Trump, the richest of the richest have not figured out how to get time back. And that's something I don't think that they will ever figure out how to get time back. So you don't have any more time to waste. You don't have any more time to push your dreams back, push your goals back. You don't got any more time, bro. There is no perfect time to start. There is no perfect time to say, okay, I'm going to wait till I get this much money. I'm going to wait until I lose 5 pounds to do this. I'm going to wait. Why are you waiting? This stuff goes by so fast. I think coming up in May, I graduated in the class of 22, right? This coming May, I will be 4 years out of high school. This is right here. This is my high school basketball warm-up shirt right here. I still can fit it. I don't think y'all understand what I'm trying to say in this video. A lot changes in 4 years, but 4 years, bro, come on, dog. That felt like yesterday. I felt like I was wearing this shirt yesterday. I didn't gain a lot of weight. I didn't put on a lot of pounds. I didn't get any taller. This is the same shirt from 4 years ago. Let that sink in. It goes by so fast. A lot of y'all, bro, time is not on our side. Time is our worst enemy, but it can also be your best friend if you use it the right way. Every single day you get up, bro, you should be having a plan. Every day you get up, bro, you should want to try something new. You should want to do something new. Bro, one thing I'm gonna tell y'all, bro. I know I got some gamblers on this channel, right? Some people say they don't gamble. Yes, y'all do. Y'all gamble with y'all time every single day. A lot of y'all gamble with y'all time every single day. I need y'all to take a gamble on y'all self for once. I'm gonna tell y'all, this is how you gonna use time as one of your biggest assets. I need you to take a gamble on yourself. See, some of y'all go to this casino and gamble. Some of y'all gamble your time with that girl that you didn't know, that you don't know anything about. Some of y'all gamble y'all time on a lot of at that job. Most importantly, you gamble 8 to 12 hours at that job, knowing that it's probably just enough to pay your bills. You got some of y'all gambled y'all time in college, knowing that you went to college knowing that, hey, I may not even get this job that I desire in this field study. Y'all, a lot of y'all gamble, but I need y'all to gamble on yourself for once. And what does gambling on yourself look like? Gambling on yourself, what that looks like, bro, that looks like taking risks that you know, actually having faith. I ain't gonna say taking risks. I don't even, I'm not even gonna say take risks. I'm gonna say having faith. Having faith in God and trying something, bro, knowing that it might not work, but if it works, it can set you up for the rest of your life. That is taking a risk and taking a risk on faith. I need y'all to take a risk on faith. That's how y'all gonna use time as y'all biggest asset. That's how you gonna use it, bro. Because a lot of y'all, bro, y'all getting up, bro. Some of y'all worried about the new big arch meal. Stop with the internet, bro. The internet is a straight distraction, bro. A straight up distraction, my nigga. Some of y'all worry about the new big arch meal. Y'all worry about the new CEO of McDonald's trying the new burger. About how small the bite was. Girl, did you see the McDonald's man? That's why I don't eat that stuff, girl. I knew McDonald's was a fraud. Y'all, you done went on for 2 hours yapping about the big arch meal. You ain't learned a new skill. You ain't made no money today. You ain't got up. You ain't read. You ain't got not an ounce of knowledge. You worry about the big arch meal. Some of y'all pouring over the Epstein files. It's 3,000 pages of the Epstein files, and some of y'all pouring over it. Word for word, bar for bar. Did that Epstein file get you paid? Did that big arch meal get you paid? Some of y'all be watching baddies all day. Did baddies get you paid? What are you doing with your time, bro? If y'all, a lot of y'all, like I said, a lot of y'all smart. Y'all be in the comments like, I see y'all smart. But if y'all so smart, y'all would realize a lot of the things that y'all was wasting y'all time on don't give y'all no money. It don't make you no money. It don't set you up for the rest of your life. It don't build you that dream life that you want to live. Think about it. If you were so smart, you would know that time is the biggest asset. You know, y'all be in the comments saying, oh, invest in your time. People always ask me, bro, oh, I see you post cash. I see you post money. What are you invested in? You're watching it. You're watching it, my nigga. I'm investing with my time, most importantly, because this is the biggest investment that you can give to yourself, that and it's free. It's 100% risk free. It's 100% gamble free. It's 100%, and it got the biggest ROI, return on investment. Your time is the biggest ROI you will ever find in this world, because one, you don't lose anything by just trying. Two, you put your time into something, bro. God see that. I'm trying to tell y'all, grab a relationship with God, bro. I would rather you sit down and talk to God all day than be sitting there talking around to your friends who ain't got nothing going on. You would come out a lot better. Trust me, dog. You would come out a lot better talking to God all day than sitting around talking to your friends who ain't got nothing going on. Also, bro, stop letting people waste your time, bro. Stop letting people get unneeded conversations out of you. Keep it pushing. A few words, keep it pushing, bro. Stop letting people get hours and hours and hours out of you, dog. Your time should be your biggest thing that you trying to protect. A lot of y'all be trying to protect the wrong things, bro. Protect your time first. You feel what I'm saying? Your time is everything. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, this stuff goes by so fast. It really does. I'm just thinking back to my younger self. If I would have had this mindset even just 2 years ago of how far I would be. But that's the thing. That's the art of starting when you're unready, starting when you're broke, starting when you not sure about something gonna work out, starting when you scared, starting when you feel like nobody gonna believe in you, starting when you think people gonna look at you crazy. That is the art of starting and protecting your time and using time as your biggest asset. So after this video, bro, you need to realize I have no more time to waste. Some of you guys are in your 30s and 40s on this channel. Some of you guys don't have any more time to waste. I'm a youngin' and I feel like, dog, I don't got no more time to waste. I get it. A lot of y'all be like, bro, you young, it's gonna come, it's gonna come. No, I don't think y'all understand. I don't know if it's something in the air from when it was y'all generation, from our generation, but it seems like time is moving so fast, it almost feel like a crime. I had to catch myself today. I came home from work. I came in early. I came home at 6 a.m. I did a third shift. I came home, I laid down, right? And I woke up and it was late as hell. And I'm like, bro, I felt like I was only asleep for a couple of hours. What do you mean? I had to catch myself. I gotta get my content out. I gotta go invest in the biggest asset to myself. That's my time. Because nobody gonna build the life for me. Nobody gonna show up for me. Y'all gotta get the mentality. Nobody gonna show up for you, bro. Nobody coming to save y'all. Your bills, they not going nowhere. Your financial situation is not going nowhere. Face your problems. Face it right now and figure out what you got to do. It's day number 7. We already to the first week of the 90-day run. I don't think y'all understand how fast this 90 days when they go past, bro. And we gonna see what everybody been working on. We gonna see how everybody coming. Did you use time as your biggest asset? If you did, you gonna have a terrific 90-day run. If you did not, we gonna see. Oh yeah, we gonna see. We gonna see what you've been working on. So if this video motivates you guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And tomorrow is the day. So make sure you guys join my membership channel. It's simple. All you gotta do is go to my channel, click join. I ain't gonna lie, we're gonna be giving out free game for literally less than a $5 biggie bag. $4.99, or it's $3.99, $4.99. I'm not sure. I think I changed it. Is it $3.99 or $4.99? But literally, we giving out free game, less than a $5 biggie bag, bro. Some of y'all, some people, bro, and it's just for a month. Come on, $4 could be your biggest investment in your life, but you rather go spend that $4 on a $5 biggie bag that's gonna be gone in 30 minutes. You're gonna be hungry again. Take this time, challenge yourself, dog. I ain't like them other people, bro, that's trying to sell you course for $4,000-$5,000, and that's gonna tell you the same thing. No, I actually care about y'all, and we gonna post videos and gonna get things done that you guys actually need to hear. You guys actually need in life, and that's gonna give you the blueprint, dog. For real, I got a whole new game plan, and it's something that you're not gonna see on the channel. You may see it on the channel a couple times, but really, dog, it's gonna be in the membership, and you don't want to be left out. We post our first video on there tomorrow, so if you're not able to watch that video, it's because you're not in the membership. So I suggest y'all make a decision. And that ain't no pressure. I ain't money hungry. No, I'm just saying, hey, join that membership. It's gonna change your life, dog. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know I love this. Y'all know me back more content. Use your time wisely. We on that 90-day run. Hey, ski.